Our Collision 2018 coverage is proudly powered by Amazon Prime. Find out all the ways you can benefit from a Prime subscription and get a 30-day free trial by going to collision.live/prime and by audiobooks.com. Get a free 30-day trial and a book to keep by going to collision.live/audiobooks using promo code TRY70.
Our next guest is here.
Sorry. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay. I'm Daniele Delle Case. I'm one of the co-founders of Addi.fit, which is the owner of itfits, which is an application which helps people to find the right fit of their shoes. So people can only take 2 pictures with their smartphone, and we have an algorithm which extracts a 3D model of your feet and compare with the sizes of the shoes, and tells you which is the right size for your shoes.
So I just take a picture of my feet.
2 pictures.
2 pictures of my feet.
I want to know how do 2 pictures
could generate a
how does it?
Do I need a ruler next to my feet, like a puppy?
Like a penny?
We use statistical deformation, image recognition, and 3D modeling. So we created an algorithm that fits a statistical model of 2,000 feet, and it fits with your pictures. So it extracts the landmarks on the pictures and adapt the 3D model of the feet to your pictures.
So is it like I take a picture of the bottom of my foot and then the top, or like the side?
No. The moment only on the top.
Only on the top?
2 pictures on the top.
So this is an application for your phone?
In reality, it is an API which could be used on e-commerce. So you can add it on the e-commerce, and we align our business model to the e-commerce business model.
I have never heard of anything like this. Where did this idea come from?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I agree. But we decided to start this company 2 years ago, but we just started 1 year ago. And the first year we worked only on the algorithm development, and the last year we worked to create the platform. And we just released last week the first MVP of this application.
Wow.
Yeah.
And where did the idea come from?
The idea came from my need. So I was a soccer player.
Okay.
A soccer player, and I had the problem to find the right shoes for my feet. And
what problems did you notice?
Yeah, the main problem is to find the right size in relation to the brand. Okay. Because each brand has its own sizes, and the main problem is to adapt the size to the different brands and find the shoes that could fit really good with your feet. So all started from there. But this product is only the beginning of our roadmap, because in the future we want to be able to create our own shoes made with additive manufacturing. So we create for you the right shoes made on your 3D model.
Wow.
With an automated platform, which taking the 2 pictures generate a 3D model of a design and putting manufacturing in real time. So it helps you to have your own shoes made on your own needs and on your own design.
That is an awesome future goal to have. That's awesome.
It is. So right now you guys are still in the alpha stages. So this is just the application. It's just so you let me know my size.
Yeah. For the moment, yeah. In the moment we help you to find the right size.
And does the application tell you okay, you're this size in Adidas, you're this size in Nike? How does it work for sizing?
At the moment the workflow is like this. You go on e-commerce like Zalando or Zappos, okay? We aren't partnering with them at the moment, but it's only an example.
Not sponsored.
And you select your shoes, the design of your shoes, and when you have to select the size, you can click on try your size with itfits, and then you upload your pictures only the first time, but because then
And then it
we
saves
save,
the data.
Yeah. And then our algorithm extracts your sites and tells you and already selecting the website. So the person should only buy the shoes.
Okay. So if it saves the data, does it like create like a profile for that person? So if I went back,
Yeah.
would
When
I
you
be
come
able
back,
to use the same data for a
Exactly.
different shoe?
Exactly.
Okay.
And this allows you to do one-click selection. So the second time is completely zero overheads on that. So really fast and aligned with the business model of the e-commerces, which is related to go fast to the cart. So we define to align our business to help them to improve their customer experience and also to improve their margins, because we avoid a lot of returns. Okay, because one of the main problem actually of the e-commerces is that e-commerces will have from 10 to 30% of returns. This is a great loss for them
Right.
in terms of margins, and we help to reduce up to 2-3%, and this is a great gain for them.
I think this
So
is
do you like
magical. This is magical. This is magic.
It's sorcery.
You must try it.
No, I definitely will. No, yes. So I feel like this would also work like if I was like shopping for shoes online,
Yeah,
and I don't know what this brand does. I don't know if I'm gonna purchase the right shoe
yeah.
on the internet, because then you get it and you're like, this isn't the right size.
Right.
Yeah.
Would that be another application, possibly?
We have some competitors, but they have different technology. So
Right.
they need more pictures, or they made only comparison between shoes that you already own. Okay, so you'll ask you if you have a Nike number 9, for example. You will buy this kind of shoes number 10, for example. But we didn't found at the moment a direct competitor with the same technologies that
Right.
we use.
How far along in the process are we? Is the app live and ready to go?
We released the MVP last week, so now it's live, and we are trying to find some early adopters.
Okay.
So we are targeting e-commerces mainly
So-
brand e-commerces,
Okay.
not generalist e-commerces.
So you're going to sell the products to the commerce.
Yeah, we sell the product to the commerces, and we have a business model which is based on transactions fee.
Okay,
So-
that was my.
So only when a person purchase the good using our solution, we will apply a €1 transaction fee. So it is a very low fee.
And that's to the user or to the commerce?
No, to the commerce.
To the commerce.
Yeah, for the user it's completely
It's free.
This
Okay.
is amazing.
Okay. So €1 is how much in dollars? I don't know.
0.80.
Yeah, something like that.
0.80.
This is something I wish would have existed forever ago, because I've been wearing like size 12 shoes because I thought that was my size.
Yeah.
But my toe was always at the top of the shoe, and then one
Oh,
of my friends
no.
is like, "Your toe's not supposed to be there," and I was like, "What do you mean?" So I've been wearing the wrong size shoe my whole life.
You've been hurting yourself.
I've been hurting myself.
Yeah.
So now I wear 12 and a halves because I didn't know I needed like a gap between my toe and the edge of the shoe. So like this is something that I would have used
Yeah.
had it been around years ago.
Yeah,
Do
I
you-
agree with you, and
Yeah.
I'm not able to understand why nobody. Probably I can understand because it's not easy to do something that we work 2 years to be able to launch this product. So
This is awesome.
probably this is the motivation why nobody already did
Right.
something did.
Do you happen to know any of like the health risks of wearing the wrong size shoe and why someone should use this product?
Why someone should use this product? In my opinion, someone should use this product to avoid to make a wrong purchase. So
Mhm.
Painful
the user.
toes.
yeah,
I feel like some of the health risks for like the wrong size shoe would also be like, I mean, like posture. Like I feel like it can like damage a lot.
yeah. It's
Oh, man.
a real improvement on the customer experience. because the user now, there are 50% of the e-commerce addicted users that are not buying shoes online for this motivation. We already did some questions and questionnaires and surveys to potential users, and they said that they are not using they are not buying online shoes for this motivation. And
Right, because you don't want to buy the shoe and then get it back to your house and it
Yeah.
just doesn't fit at all.
So did you find that selling the service for like just €1,
yeah.
did you find that to
Yeah,
be
we did some surveys to e-commerces, and we asked them how much could be the right
like
price
how much
for
would
them.
you pay?
Yeah. And someone said €1, someone said €4, someone less, and we found
Like a
an average
nice-
price.
yeah.
Yeah. And
Okay.
It's
we
such a
think
good
that
idea.
is a good starting point, but we are open to discuss to
So what are your plans for Collision? Are you here?
Yeah, today we have a booth at
Okay.
A203. So if someone would like to visit us, we are open to discuss and talk about our application. So
Okay. And I completely lost it. I'm sorry. Nope, it's gone.
I was
I
like,
don't know.
uh-oh, she's going to say something amazing.
I had a good question. I really did. Just
So,
I'll figure it out.
all right, I have a really good question. So you mentioned earlier that you want to eventually take this product to manufacturing.
yeah,
About how far out are we looking before you think that something like that could be a possibility? And is your plan to, when you get to manufacturing, like, so I can make a shoe that's just for my
Yeah.
foot. Are you going to allow the users to design that shoe? Or would you guys
No.
have a set design?
we prefer to allow designers to promote their design
Okay,
and share their ideas with the potential users.
awesome.
And
And-
this is for us a good starting point, because we want to allow the design sharing economy,
Right.
okay, and allow the people owns their own design based on their own lifestyle. Okay, so we believe that each people should represent itself using the right shoes for them.
Right.
Okay.
And about how far off do you think your company's at before something like that is a possibility?
Yeah, and-
Probably 2 or 3 years
Okay.
to be able to do that.
And
Not-
expanding on that, my question was like, what are like the steps to like make that goal happen?
Now we are just released itfits, which is the basic application which helps us to find the right size, but also to have a database of fits that could help us to understand which are the anatomic features of the people. But we want to integrate artificial intelligence now to define the concept of an ideal fit of the people, and compare the ideal fit of the person with the ideal fit of the shoe, made on the feedbacks of the people, and allow them to make a better purchase, And then we want to create technologies which made real-time reshaping, made on your 3D model. Okay, so this technology will use your 3D model to adapt a 3D model of the shoes and create your own 3D model. And then we will create a logistic platform which helps you to put in manufacturing in real time. So
That's amazing.
these are the points.
This is awesome.
It's awesome.
Yeah, no, this is a really good idea.
Yeah, I think we believe a lot on our vision, and we want that it will happen in the future.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if our
yeah.
viewers and listeners want to follow you in your journey and find out more information about the company, where can they go?
Okay. So if you want to follow us, you can follow us on LinkedIn and or Facebook and or Twitter on our Addi.fit account.
And what is the username?
The username is Addi.fit. On Facebook is Addi.fit.group, and on LinkedIn is Addi.fit. So.
And do you guys have a website?
Yeah, we have a website which is Addi.fit.
Wow. Thank you very much for coming out. It was
Okay.
so fun.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you so
It
much.
was really a pleasure for me.
Yeah,
Thank
us
you.
too. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
yeah. And enjoy the rest of Collision.
Okay, thank you very much. You too.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.